Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to password lock your Netflix profile so that you can lock a couple of Netflix profiles for your family, or maybe you want to lock your own Netflix profile as well. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to go here and we have to go to account, and keep in mind this is the same on your laptop, on your computer, and on your app as well. Now we can go click on account, and here we can go and scroll down, click on the account that we want to lock, right? And right now we'll go, and here it says profile lock, right? So this is where you can lock your profile on Netflix. You can go change it, and here you can pretty much change the password. Now, as you can see, enter password to edit profile locks for profile team. Now first you will have to enter the password. After you enter the password, you will have to set a profile lock pin or profile lock password, where you will be able to lock your entire profile or lock profile for anyone that is currently on your Netflix account. So this is pretty much how to password lock your Netflix profile or any other profiles as well, if you want to lock any other profiles on your Netflix account. Now, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I think this is a really simple tutorial, and yeah, I hope this video helps, and yeah, thank you for watching.